come with me and have a look at my bathroom and you'll see that just like you, my bathroom can get really dirty sometimes too. This is the original bathroom in our house and for some reason everyone seems to like using it. The bath there was very scratched when we bought the house and you can see that the dirt really goes in those scratches and it looks bad really quickly. The other job I've been neglecting has been vacuuming that exhaust fan. I remember it when I'm in the shower looking up and then I tend to forget about it. Yes, that was mess maker number one. So for a really good clean of your bathroom, first of all, take off that shower curtain and put it in the washing machine and wash it and hang it outside in the sun. Then vacuum out that filter. You want to do this first before you clean the bath. Vacuum out that attachment before you put it away. So next you see I'm wearing my shoes because I always keep my non-slip shoes on when I'm cleaning, no matter what type of bathroom I'm cleaning. I'm going to start the procedure with a fairly wet cloth and I'm spraying it. I'm only using like a homemade natural cleaning product, which has basically got essential oils, water and Castile soap in it. But that does fine because this wasn't that dirty in the tiles. But I am giving everything a really good wipe and you'll see that I'm actually following the grout lines for my wiping, and that's how you keep those grout lines really clean, by actually cleaning the grout lines. Who'd have thought? Also make sure you wipe over all those stainless steel fixtures and that'll help prevent those water stains and marks. I then rinsed out my cloth really well. Oh, actually, during both wiping stages, the cleaning of the wiping cleaning stage and then the wiping rinsing stage, you'll see I'm turning my cloth over quite a lot of times just to get to the cleaner sides. There was a couple of bits here that I treated. I probably should have treated them beforehand, but I wanted to see what would come off quickly first. So I did just use the grout brush with a bit of Jif and I really went around all those really dirty areas. Look at how dirty that bath is. It's just gross. You don't want to just use a multi-purpose spray for a dirty bath like that. You want to use something like Jif, a cream cleanser, something like that. What I'm using here is actually a homemade cream cleanser, something that I made just with natural products. And it actually works really well, just as well as any Jif that I've bought. Probably very similar ingredients minus any bleaches. But you'll see I'm just reusing that grout brush again to get a couple of places that still needed a bit more attention and really going around and wiping things multiple times. It's not just wipe it once and it's done. When something's really dirty like that, you do actually have to wipe it a couple of times. Now look, that's much better. My shoes were still clean and wet and dry. The bath, that's as clean as that bath gets. The job is done on a hot day and I'm glad that's over with. So thank you for watching. See you next time. There's that before and after.